Hello everyone, my name is Boris Ovodov. I'm the creator of the Hermann time tracker. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you what makes Hermann such a unique time tracker. First of all, Hermann is a time tracker without friction. When working with time trackers, specifying current task should be as simple and quick as possible. That's why Hermann on iOS has the search bar at the bottom, right under your thumb. Using machine learning technology, Hermann predicts locally on your device the task you want to select based on the day of the week, time, and previous tasks, and immediately suggests this task for you. This means that most of the time you only need just 2 taps to start your current task. You can create new tasks directly from the search bar, like recording this video. Nice. On macOS, the Quick Search window is available with the keyboard shortcut Option Command H. You can summon it at any time while working. And of course, search task that you're doing right now. The second focus in creating Hermann is helping to answer the questions: where does my time go? And am I doing things that make me happy? The app doesn't track earned money or hourly pay for freelancers. In Hermann, you can mark tasks with that give you energy and those that drains it. Graphs available on any device allow you to track how well you maintain life balance and make your life rich and full of self-care. Hermann is available on Macs, iPhones, and Apple Watches. Data synchronization is done through your iCloud, and the Me developer has no access to your data. Synchronization is seamless and almost instantaneous, just like in other Apple products. For example, a task started on the Mac immediately appears on your watch. Moreover, all features are available on the watch, including statistics. Currently, Hermann is in public beta and is available for free installation via TestFlight. You can get all the details on beta access and installation on the hermann.overdev.me. That's all for now. Bye.